Here's an easier way to draw Lewis dot structures in chemistry. When you're given a chemical formula, the first step is to identify what the individual elements are, and then add up the total number of valence electrons. You can figure out how many valence electrons are in each element by looking at the periodic table and seeing which column it's in. In this case, carbon has 4 valence electrons, and chlorine has 7. Since there are 4 chlorines, this gives us 28, which we add to the 4 from the single carbon to get a total of 32 valence electrons. Now we're going to take this total and divide it by 2 to give us 16 bars that we can use to draw our Lewis diagram. The first step is to draw your central atom, which will usually be the first element in your chemical formula. In this case, it's carbon. The next step is to connect the other elements around it with single bars, which in this case are the chlorines. Doing so, we can see that we've used 4 bars, which means we have 12 left to work with. In general, every atom wants to have 4 bars touching it, so while the carbon already has 4, we're going to have to place the remaining bars around the chlorines so that they each also have 4. Now we've used up all the bars, so we're done. The last step is to replace the bars that don't connect elements together with 2 dots. These are what we call unpaired electrons.